Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Cancers. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Cancers, for your career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your relationship first, and then we'll be picking 3 more cards for your career situation. I hope this reading resonates, Cancers. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. So let's start with the general energy. So we have 8 of Cups, Two of Cups in reverse and King of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, Cancers, maybe for some of you in your it may be in your career or personal life, you would have planned for a future with this person, or you would have dreamt about this future with them, but today something has come in between you and your dreams. So something is not working. Maybe this person you love, you know the truth about them. Maybe they were involved with you not for love, but it was just like a casual fling. They did not have any deep attachment to you. So whatever you believed in, or whatever you trusted, maybe you trusted this person, and that trust or faith that has been broken, guys. So you feel really stressed because of that, and maybe you were wishing and planning for your future together, and you made so many things. You were speaking about it to your friends and family about this love. You were so happy, but all of a sudden this person is coming to you, telling you that they are not interested, or they are not interested to take the next step, maybe towards engagement or marriage. So some kind of difficulty, or they are moving away from this love for some reason, and you feel really stressed, lonely and devastated, guys, because of what they are telling you today. So maybe you were dealing with some kind of a deceptive personality. So they were in this connection just for that physical aspect of this connection, not for that true love, guys. So that is what I see, Cancers. Or it may be something in your career situation also. So you were planning for some partnership or some business collaboration, but the people you trusted with this work, or maybe or some circumstance has gone wrong for you, and maybe you are seeing some delays or suspensions of your projects or whatever you do in your career situation, guys, Cancer. So some trouble, sadness because of that. So let's see what are the cards specific to your relationship first. So we have 4 of Fire, King of Earth and Tower. So just like the previous cards, guys, you were happy with this person. You were seeing the beginning of some solid relationship. You were thinking that this person is the person for you. So building your dreams on that. But today, this person has proved you wrong, broken your trust, broken your faith, and maybe they were here in this connection because they see you as someone who is who has a good, what to say, a rapport with people. Maybe they wanted certain things for themselves, so they got involved with you to make those things work for themselves. Maybe you are in a very good position in life, you have a good social status. That may be the reason they were in connection with you. But today you are seeing some changes, inevitable, irreversible changes in this love, guys. So maybe these changes are something that is giving you lot of pain and sadness, but it is one way, it is something good. Maybe instead of going through everything and losing this person, at last you have, this person is moving away from you right in the beginning. So you need not you need to understand that all that you are, your troubles are a lesson for you guys in some way, and you have come to clarity right now. So this may be a very sad time for you, but you need not worry. This change is necessary, so the right person who has that true love for you will find you, Cancer. So that is what I feel with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have picked 3 cards again. So we have Messenger of Water, Magician, and 4 of Water. So in your career, you have that inspiration, confidence, maybe some new path has come, opened up, and you are dreaming of opportunities, and you're working towards your goals and dreams. And maybe you are taking time, maybe you are patient, waiting for the right time to make those actions or move towards your dreams. And perfect timing and divine timing is working for you in your career situation, guys. So whatever is supposed to come towards you, Cancers, you will surely reach that. Maybe this may not be the time, but it is coming towards you, Cancers. So that is what I see for your career situation, guys. And that is a reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.